What is up guys, my name is Nico. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm finally going to show you guys how to do my hair. So I've been bombarded with a lot of comments for months now saying do a hairstyle tutorial, and I didn't really want to do it just because the hairstyle I had before, which is the long hair that I had, just really wasn't worth making a video out of it, just because it was so simple and it was just too easy to achieve that hairstyle. And now that I have this hairstyle that I really like, I really want to show you guys how to do this hairstyle, just because it's still simple, but you gotta do a little more work to it. So I want to show you guys how to do this hairstyle today. I did ended up changing my hairstyle just because I feel like the other hairstyle didn't really match my personal style, and I kind of wanted to match everything with my appearance to my style. And just with this hairstyle, everything just balanced out, and with all the accessories that I'm rocking, it's just everything just balanced out, everything goes well with each other. But yeah, so for this video I'm gonna finally give you guys a hair tutorial, and yeah, stick around and let me show you guys how to do this hair. Alright guys, so if you guys can tell, the hairstyle is a little more messier, a little more curly. I usually have straight hair, and with this hairstyle I kind of have it more curly, more volume to the hair. Everything is really nice. Still a simple hairstyle, nothing too crazy like I said, and just follow all the rules. You guys should be able to achieve this. So what I asked for my barber, I kind of showed my barber this picture. So it's like a K-pop hairstyle, you know, like the usual K-pop. And I wanted to do a hairstyle like that originally, but I ended up with this just because this looks so much better and not so K-pop-ish. I mean, it kind of is, but you know, it's like half-half. But yeah, I guess that hairstyle is called 2-block cut. So if you do want to ask your barber how to cut it, if he knows how to cut 2-block cut, that's it, or show that barber that picture. But yeah, so with that hairstyle, let me show you guys the first step. Alright guys, so the first step of this hairstyle, of course you can't really do this hairstyle without getting it wet, so let's go ahead and wet the hair. Alright guys, so once your hair is wet, you want to just go ahead and towel dry it. I've already towel dried my hair, so I don't really have to do it. So as soon as you towel dry your hair, I grab my paste or whatever you guys are using for your hair. For me, I'm going to be using this Old Spice fiber wax, and I really like using this just because it holds my hair really good, and low shine. And I really like products that has low shine, just so it doesn't look like you put too much stuff in there. It just looks so effortless. But yeah, I use this. So what I do first before I use that, I go ahead and grab a brush and I just brush my hair forward, just so my hair can already be in that position that I'm trying to get it in. So just brush your hair forward, grab any brush or anything you guys have. Okay guys, so yeah, my hair looks a little ridiculous right now. So as soon as you brush your hair forward, and I grab my my wax, I get about a little bit for now, and I apply that to my hair, just so my hair can be more volumized when I blow dry it. So just go ahead and just apply it. You don't really gotta go crazy with it. And if you think it's not enough, you might want to just take a little more. Just depending on how long your hair is. So I grabbed a little more. Alright guys, so as soon as you apply your wax, your paste, or whatever you guys are using, just go ahead and grab just any blow dryer you have. So I use blow dryer just so I can direct my hair to the direction I really want, and I can make it messy because the hairstyle is a little messy, a little more curly. And yeah, I use the blow dryer to make all that stuff happen. So I just go ahead and put it in warm and just a medium heat, and not too strong of the blow, just a little bit, just medium blow. So just grab it and just start blowing. So I just start blowing forward, just so the hair is directing forward, and just as soon as you blow dry it forward, want to go ahead, just blow dry the front up, and just just blow dry it up so it can just be messy, it can be curly. I'll show you guys right now. So yeah, so when I blow dry my hair, I kind of like scrunch it up, so make it a little more curly, not so straight. Really put that messy look to the style. So when you're blow drying up, try to just like crunch it like this. Just mess it up a little bit, you know, but make sure it's going in the right direction, nothing too crazy. Alright guys, so as soon as you stop blow drying it, if you want to fix it a little bit, you can actually stop here if you want. But for me, just because I'm out most of the day, I kind of wanted it to stay how it is. So I kind of put more of the same wax that I put before. I put a little bit, not too much, just so I can finish with the look and holds everything just holds in the hair everything better and just lasts longer. So I just kind of mess it up. So this part is really just up to you if you want to keep going or you want to just like keep messing it up. If you think it's good after you blow dry it, then you can just leave it. So just, yeah, really just blow dry. I'm really sorry if I look this way, just because I have my mirror over here. So this is where I look. You also want to fix the side as well, because the side is pretty important too, so you don't want the side to be too puffy. I just kind of trying to make it flat as much as possible. But right after that, that's pretty much it. This is the hairstyle right here, guys. Just messing it up. It's really up to you how you want it to be styled. So you see the sides right there, see the sides right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing really to say after everything. And that is the hairstyle, guys. And alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you guys do enjoy, please hit the like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know down below if you guys do want more hairstyles tutorial from me, because I know you guys have been asking a lot lately for a hairstyle tutorial. So I listened to all you guys and actually made this video for all those people who've been asking. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy the video, like I said, hit the like, comment, subscribe down below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later.